Top of the morning to you folks. It's Tuesday the 21st of May and we have just parked up at Mykonos and this is us. We just walked down the gangplank. It's not good. And we're going for a dander to see what's about. And there's half a dozen cruise ships in this morning in here. So there's thousands and thousands of cruise shippers.
You make sure your phone's there's a
tall ship.
Tall ship there. They just put there so we have
And there's all sorts going on in here. This is the Champion Jet catamaran in behind, and this is, I'm trying to look for this. Oh, there it is. Galileo. And we've got a plane taking off in the background. There we go. Plenty to see here. Plenty of action. And we're going for a wee dander. 21st of May, if I haven't mentioned that, and this is where we're parked up here, cruise terminal, and this is Mykonos. And a bit of information about the place. Islands ruins and wine production and all sorts. And this is where we are. And actually there's more than the 3 cruise ships. There's one round the corner there too. Where did I get that one? Yeah. There's an MSC one round the corner. Over here. So 4 cruise ships in. That's quite amazing. Let's see what this one is. This is the Mein Schiff 6 and this is the I can't read it. Anyway, cruise ship alley. And this is us on the sea bus into town. So many of these quad bikes.